everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create cute and unique handmade Rakhi that will surely bring a smile to your sibling's face. So let's get started. First, using scissors, I cut this paper in a round shape. Then staple white wool with it on the back side. Next, attach a white art paper on it. Now apply some glue on another side. Then attach some cotton on it. Next, cut it in this way and give it a round shape. Now here I attach two eyes on it, which I had already prepared before. Next, attach mouth. And add 2 ears of it. I cut the mouth of the cartoon in half because it looked better. Now the Rakhi is ready to use. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.